Welcome back to Whisk It with flAVA. We notched it up to 9, so it would be perfect to cut the top off.
And that's called a level. It's a cake level. And then what are you doing there, Ava?
I swish it side to side just to cut the top off. I don't want to cut it in half.
Right, and the key is to keep those rubber pieces on the cutting board, because if you pick them up, what happens?
It'll probably break the cake.
And be uneven. That's right. Oop.
Oops.
All right. Let's be careful there.
All right, now we're going to do the top level of the cake. It looks delicious. There. If you've noticed that the cakes are falling apart, yes, it is true. They're falling apart. It's because we meant to do it yesterday, but Mom had to do too much, so we couldn't. And they were out, and they got too soft. So we're going to have to do a crumb coat with it.
What's a crumb coat?
A crumb coat is a layer to keep the crumbs in, and then you put it in the fridge, and then you take it out once it's like harder, and then you add another coat, which won't have any crumbs. So that's what it's called. I am using this spatula to spread my crumb coat around the cake. And yes, if you've noticed that there are crumbs in it, that's the meaning of a crumb coat.
Okay, Ava, you want to explain what just happened?
Well, we just had a tiny catastrophe. This cake broke, but you see, this is not like that. We cut it off, and that's how we fixed it. And don't laugh at us, laugh with us. Okay, so we're just trying to...
We're trying to take a cracked, broken cake.
Yahoo! Gummy.
Good job.
I'm awesome. I did it. I'm a natural.
All right, cocky girl. All right, now it's time to put your next crumb coat on there.
All right. Let's see what it looks like so far. Can somebody put a sheet over this? I just don't.
All right, I think we need to redo the cake. What do you think? Cake 2?
That's a waste of money, time, and, well, food.
You think Aurora will like her first cake?
No.
Stick a 1 on it. Oh boy.
It's so good. Nene, por favor.
Ava, do we crush it?
Maybe not on the outside, but on the inside.
Mira qué vamos a hacer.
And that's what it looks like.